Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is kind of a mishmash. I do have some Aritzia items. I didn't place a very big order. I think there's only about 6 items in here. It is currently their clientele sale, so I mean they have it twice a year. Is it the best sale? No. Did I really need anything? Not a ton of things, and that's why, like I said, it's a fairly small order. But I also have some new Longchamp accessories to show you for the pouch, which I think is just gonna help you to be more organized, but also elevate your Longchamp pouches. So I'm gonna go over that, and then I also have a new handbag to show you. So let's just get into it. Let's start off with the Aritzia stuff. I am currently still waiting for one more item from the Aritzia sale. So I believe it's supposed to come in tomorrow, so I'll just insert that clip there. But like I said, there wasn't really much that was catching my eye. Honestly, they're so overpriced, and I feel like you can get the same things kind of from Gap. Gap right now is just doing such an amazing job. So a lot of their t-shirts I would always recommend. This is a function tee, have so many of them. But let's go over what I got. So this is, maybe I only got 5 things because there's 4 here. The first that I got is a belt. I do really like their belts. So this one is just pretty plain, but I decided to get a brown color for the summertime. You guys know I'm not really into a lot of browns, but I think with light denim and a basic kind of white tee, sometimes I feel like the black can look a bit too stark. So I ended up getting this one, which is called the Accent, which I think I have. I do have this, but in the smaller, the thinner version. So and this is in the raw umber, and it is gold. So this is pretty expensive. It's regular $78. I think this was 20% off, but I always get my belts in a size small as well. They're okay. I would say I have 1, 2, 3, I think 3 belts from Aritzia, and they last a decent amount of time, but I mean, you can also find the same things at the Gap. And then I just picked up a basic V-neck, which this is looking really see-through. I can completely see my hand through it. So this is the loom linen, which they were all sold out of the black one, which is originally what I wanted. I love a V-neck. I love like a high crew neck or like a low V-neck, but I think this is gonna have to go back. I can just tell. It is so sheer. You can see my blue top through this. So this is my Little Moon, and I think this is $42, again 20% off. I wish I had gone the black. And I also picked up this one here, which is by Babaton, and this is the Busy tank, which I've seen really good reviews on this tank. It's now covered in white from the linen, but it's just a basic tank top. Again, I dress in mostly basics, but it is sort of a lower, what is this, round neck? No, crew neck? I don't know. It is a lower kind of a neck, but it has really thick straps there. It's made with a ribbed fabric, which is very similar. To me, it feels very similar to the Home Stretch. What is this? I don't even know what this is, but it is by, it's just the Home Stretch. Oh, the Slow Jam halter top. And I do like a halter top just because I have fairly broad shoulders. I always feel like a halter works fairly well, but this is double lined here, so you don't have to wear a bra. This is pretty thick, I would say, and there is a little bit of stretch to it. The next day now, and I did get the second part of my Aritzia order in, so I'm gonna show you these pair of jeans because there are 0 reviews on them, and I couldn't find anything on Instagram or TikTok. I think they are fairly new. And I also, before I forget, want to mention these Gap tees. I had a few people ask me, sorry, there's hair in my mouth, about these t-shirts in, I can't remember when I was wearing this. I think when I showed the Longchamp, the one collection, but these are the Gap tees in collab with Victoria Beckham. So it just says Gap, Victoria Beckham. I have the gray and the white. It only comes in those 2 colors. Both of them are in a size small, and I feel like they fit pretty well. They're not a baby tee, like they're not snug underneath. As you can kind of see there, they are pretty loose, but they are more rigid. There's not really any stretch to them, and they are pretty thick, but they lay really nicely. This part doesn't curl or anything like that. So if you are interested in the Gap tees, again, this is the fitted one, not the loose one, because she has a loose one with the logo in the back. Okay, on to the jeans. These are Denim Forum, the relaxed, low-rise, baggy, full. So they didn't offer any inseam differences. Like, so there wasn't a petite or a tall. They only came in the full length, which I believe is a 30 to 30. I think it's a 30. But they do taper ever so slightly. I thought these might be a good alternative to my low curve. You can see how they slightly taper in at the end. And my A Gold E low curve also do. I got it in a size 25. Kind of took a little bit of a gamble. Hopefully they fit, but I will show you what they look like now. And these were cheaper than the regular denim form. These are 110, and then I think with the 20% off around 88 or something like that. I think that these are pretty good dupe for my A Gold E low curve jeans. I do really like the wash of them. Like I said, I don't really have any dark denim. I do also have to cuff them just like the A Gold E because they are quite long on the bottom, but I'm a fan of that. I like how baggy that they are. And I don't know, maybe when I put them in the wash, they will also kind of shrink a little bit. And for reference, my belly button's there. So it's about 2 inches lower than my belly button, but I love it. They fit just like my A Gold E. I could probably pull these on and off almost without unbuttoning them, but I think they are a really good alternative to the A Gold E if you don't want to spend close to, I don't know, $400 with tax for them. Let's talk about the Longchamp accessories that I got. So I did hold a giveaway for the new One Collection pouch. I had bought the beautiful burgundy oxblood color as well as the yellow. So the person that won, congratulations if you're watching as well right now, she chose the burgundy. So I mean, either one, I was going to be happy with it, honestly. And for the summertime, I think this yellow is going to be so perfect and so cute. So again, here is the yellow. It is called lime on the website, but honestly, to me, this is very yellow. It might have like the slightest tinge of lime, but really, you can't even tell. So this is a new pouch. For reference, this is, I have this one and then I have the energy pouch, but I'll show you this one because they're the same. As you can kind of see there. So the green line is currently being discontinued, but you can see that I have these little attachments on here. So I can turn this into a crossbody, but this one, it's a little bit harder because these are new colors that came out. So it's hard to find an attachment that would work for this. However, I did see people on Instagram and TikTok using a scarf, and I love the whole scarf trend. So I got this one from Amazon. I will link it in my Amazon shop below, but I thought that this one would work really well. It has navy and yellow. The yellow obviously doesn't match, but I think it's gonna be okay. And I feel like the blue will match with it, the teal will match with it, and then obviously the white. But I thought this scarf would be really good, and as well, I could use this as a headscarf. I could also, I know that some of the girls are wearing, well, folding it up and wearing it around their neck or wearing it around their waist, but I thought I would try this out for the handbag. But in addition to that, I also picked up a little organizer. So this one I have not opened, also from Amazon, so we'll open it together. I think this is only about $13, but it's a little pouch organizer. So as you can see there, it's just made out of a felt fabric. It does have a zipper compartment on one side. You can kind of see there. So there is a little zippered compartment. So I guess you could put some change or anything, some documents that you want to keep more secure, credit cards. And then on that same side with the zipper, there is also another little pouch there. And the other side has some credit card holders and then something to slip maybe lip gloss in. So let's try this because I've never had a little insert for the pouch. Here it is with the purse organizer. You can see it really helps to hold the shape. That's crazy. Do you see the shape of it? Even from the side, it just holds the shape way better. I don't know why I didn't invest in this sooner, but now you can see I can just put my credit cards and slip them in there, which I don't have any credit cards with me right now. So I just put my ID in there. I will say that this is a pretty tight slot for credit cards. So I don't know if it just needs to loosen slightly, but it was a little bit tough getting that in there. And then what else? I have my mini pochette with me. So I do have some gum I can put in, and then I have a little sage roll-on, which I can put in this little pouch, this little pocket over here. And then I also have perfume, which I can slip in. And I think if I were to carry change, I would put it in the zippered pocket, or I would put some dollar bills in the zippered pocket just to keep it a little bit more secure. But I think overall it's a pretty good organizer. I'm not sure if this view is going to be a little bit better, but you can see I have my Sage roll-on, a perfume in there. You could put some credit cards there. I also have gum inside as well as a hand lotion. It's just hard to see. And then there is this little zippered compartment that's in there. The scarf, as you can see there, I just made a little tie. So I guess you could put it on the front like that if you wanted to. And this is, I think, a 35 by 35 inch scarf. I will have a link below. Like I said, this is from Amazon. And so you'll probably get a better idea when I show you in the full length mirror. But I've seen so many girls wear it. So they have this scarf kind of accent there. And then the handbag just sitting like that. And I think it looks super cute. I'm glad I wore navy today because I feel like it kind of matches with the yellow. The yellow, like I said, doesn't completely match with this, as you can see there, but I think it works really well. So cute. I think that the scarf looks good with this brown, this cognac color. Oh yeah, it works perfectly. So now I have a scarf I can wear on my head. I can tie around like this right now if I wanted to, or I could wear it around my hips, or you can wear it as a belt. I love that they're bringing scarves back, honestly. I could even probably, well, depending, I could probably wear it on my head too. So that just completely messed up my hair. Hi. You want to say hi? I'll hold you up. Hi. There you go. She doesn't like to be held. She's just curious because there's so much hair, and now I have cat hair all over me. Hi. I'll get you treats in a moment, okay? So I have a new handbag from Elleme, which they so kindly sent me. I did choose this specific style out. So this is from their new summer collection. I do already have the Truce handbag in a beautiful olive suede, but I decided to go for something a little bit lighter for the summer. They are a Parisian brand, so they were founded in Paris in 2015, and then all of their goods are made in Italy, so you know you're getting a really high quality leather, and they have a very minimalist look to all their handbags too. There's not a lot of branding, if any branding, maybe just on the hardware, but honestly, that's what I really love about the brand, other than the fact Bean is really wanting to say hi, other than the fact, like I said, that they use really high quality materials, but it's very minimal. So there's a little card here from them, which is sweet. I love the little personal touches. Aw, thank you, Steph and the Elleme family. And fun fact, Elleme in French means she loves. I did take French up until grade 11, but I do know that. And the brand really focuses on women's strength, her uniqueness, and her finesse. And it's just about really simplistic, minimalistic handbags that can be used for years to come. So I chose one of their most popular and classic designs, one of their OG designs, and it's a little bit out of my comfort zone, but it is, she's gorgeous, she's gorgeous. She's gonna be perfect for summer. This is the boomerang, and this comes in multiple different sizes. So it's called the boomerang because, as you can see here, this part, which I'll take this little plastic covering off in a moment, is shaped like a boomerang, but it also has a strap. Yes, I can see it on the inside, but it's this gorgeous woven, the leather's strong, the leather smells strong, woven leather, which is so in for the summer, but I think it's also just really fun and playful. I don't have any woven handbags like this other than my raffia handbags, but like I mentioned, this is leather. And then the bottom, they have feet, which, okay, sold 100%. So it helps to protect the handbag, especially because it is a white leather, or this is, I believe, the ivory, and it does have the gold hardware. They do have silver hardware as well for some of their different handbags, but like I said, the boomerang is, I feel like, one of their most classic, well-known shapes. This is in the small size, so let's open her up. Here is the strap right there, which is also adjustable, and then on the inside, it's a microfiber, microfiber lining, very soft, and then, of course, just the cards, and there is one slip pocket. So you can carry it by hand. This can also go into the crook of your arm, or as I mentioned, it does have an adjustable strap, which I'll show you. You can see what it looks like on me as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. But I think if I were to use this, I would probably carry it by hand. I think it just kind of looks the cutest that way, but you can see that's where the strap would go. And again, as I mentioned, the branding, there's just a small little, I guess it's debossed over there. It just says Elleme, but that is basically it. No other branding, which I love. And I feel like the leather is really gorgeous and really supple. If you could only feel it, like it is really soft, but like I said, that microfiber helps to kind of give it some structure. This handbag, I believe in Canada, is just at $1,000, and again, it's an all leather handbag. I think for the price point, the craftsmanship, the leather, the quality of this is just such a hit. Like I said, compared to something so small like this for the same price point, this is wild. The fact that these two are about the same. Crazy. But thank you so much to Elleme for sending me this gorgeous handbag. I will link everything down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.